Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE Class 12 answer sheet controversy deepens as students report blurred scan copies, payment failures and portal glitches during re-evaluation process. Students question on-screen marking system, claim scan copies are unreadable and demand manual rechecking, grace marks and greater transparency. CBSE to organize consultative workshop on strengthening skill education through community of practice in India on 2nd June 2026 at CBSE headquarters, Dwarka in collaboration with Commonwealth of Learning and Commonwealth Educational Media Centre for Asia. Initiative aims to build a teacher-led peer network for vocational and skill educators to share resources, engage with experts and improve skill education in schools. Applications are open till 27th May 2026. Uttar Pradesh Governor directs all universities and colleges in the state to implement mandatory uniforms for students to reduce social discrimination and promote equality on campuses. The governor also asked institutions to introduce vocational and employment-oriented courses, improve women's hostel facilities and focus on multidisciplinary learning under NEP 2020. CBSE's new three-language policy for Class 9 challenged in Supreme Court. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi says sudden introduction of additional languages could create chaos and academic pressure ahead of Class 10 boards. Supreme Court to hear PIL next week. West Bengal extends Vande Mataram mandate to madrasas. State government makes singing of national song compulsory during morning assemblies in all recognized aided and unaided madrasas. CBSE's revised three-language policy triggers fresh Hindi imposition debate after Hindi and Sanskrit were left out of our three-language list. Educationists say structure indirectly pushes students towards Hindi and Sanskrit and weakens regional languages. Schools also raise concerns over sudden rollout, lack of resources and reduced language choice. NTA tells Parliament NEET UG 2026 paper leak did not originate from internal system, exam cancelled after leak allegations, retest scheduled for 21st June. Agency announces AI monitoring, Aadhaar verification, CCTV surveillance and other major exam reforms. Centre considers proposal to merge JEE and NEET into single national level entrance examination. Suggested framework includes common test with separate mathematics section for engineering aspirants and biology section for medical aspirants. Officials also discuss age and attempt limits, multi-session exams, computer-based testing and stronger in-house NTA systems to improve security after NEET UG 2026 leak concerns. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.